Welcome students. Myself Parag Datta. I will teach the first chapter of class 7 matter and its composition. So let's start. The first thing is particle nature of matter. Basically this slide is the introductory part of this lesson. So first of all, what is matter? See, anything which is occupies space and has mass is called matter. We know. Suppose that I have a book on a surface of a table. So that time that book occupies some space, and if you calculate the mass of that particular book, so you can get the measurable value of that book. That means book is a matter. Very ancient history, according to Greeks philosophers, matter is consist of four fundamental materials. One is fire, second is water, air and earth. Besides, our Indian philosophers said that matter is consists of five fundamental things like your fire, water, air, earth and sky. So these are the basic building materials of any kind of matter. That time one Indian philosophers said that Podarth is nowadays is called matter, composed of very teeny or small particles called Onu. So this Onu, that time Maharishi Kanath has said that. Gradually science has been developed, and later on this Onu has been modified to atom. Modern research said matter is composed of basic things called elements. And nowadays 118 elements has been discovered. So all the matters has been broadly classified two categories. One is substance, another is mixture. Substance also divided two parts. One is element, another is compound. Mixture also two types, homogeneous and heterogeneous. So this part I will discuss later. That means this mixture part. So today I will discuss only this substance part. See, substance is consist of two things. That is element and another is compound. So before going to this part, so first of all you have to know what is atom. See, atom is the smallest unit of an element. Smallest unit. Suppose that I have a block. If I cut it, then one stage will come. That particular stage will not be cut further. Means it cannot be divided further. That particular part is called atom. But it is also true, research has been proved that atom has been divided another three parts, that is proton, electron and neutron. So these things you will learn in higher class. Now coming to the point, what is element? See, element is made up of similar type of atom, and compound, it is made up of different kind of atom with fixed ratio. That is most important thing, that is fixed ratio, made up of different kind of atom with fixed ratio. And molecule is the combination of similar and different kind of atom. So Let's do these things. Suppose that first definition is your element. So element is basically your two types. Element basically two types, or you can say that it can exist two form. One form is atomic, another form is molecular. So here A stands for atomic and M stands for molecule. Let us take one example of hydrogen. So everybody know what is the symbol of hydrogen? That is H. Suppose that I have right here H2. So this is the two form. See, this hydrogen and this is also hydrogen. This hydrogen actually exists as a atomic form, and this hydrogen also exists as a molecular form. The thing is, both two cases has similar atom is present. That means in case of atomic, here also hydrogen. In case of molecule, here also the hydrogen. That means element is consists of similar kind of atom. Thank you.